Welcome to another episode of Another Mile. Today we are going to do something interesting. We will be going to shoot blue-throated eater and eagles at Conghua district at Guangzhou, near Guangzhou, and which is under the Guangdong Province. And it will be a very interesting. It's very early in the morning, like 5:30. I started from Shenzhen, and I'm now traveling through the highway to Conghua. There we will have our guide who will be waiting there for us, and from there we will try to see where we can find some beautiful blue-throated beater, and then later on in the afternoon we have plans to photograph the royal eagle. And we heard that there are some hunting modes, and also maybe there will be some nest, eagle's nest where they're feeding the babies. So there will be some lovely views if today we are lucky to get it. But there is a forecast of a thunderstorm and some rains. So let's see how it goes. Stay tuned and let's see how it goes today. Birding at Conghua. So as you can see, we are now very close to Conghua. So this is sort of a forest area in Guangdong Province, between Guangzhou and Shenzhen, but it's closer to Guangzhou, of course. And it's a hilly terrain, and you can see lots of trees are there, which means that there will be lots of varieties of birds that will be available. In winter, if you come, there will be definitely more. But anyways, we'll try our luck today. If it's good, then definitely I would recommend people to come here. I will share all the details later on in the video, as we will show you the birds, as well as in the YouTube link below you will find all the details. As you can see, it's pouring heavily. We are now inside the jungle in the camp, and we are trying to photograph the blue-throated beater. We got some beautiful shots, but now it's pouring. So I can show you the camp here. You can see here, this is all the masters are sitting here. All people have come here to take the photograph. We are inside the jungle, and so you have to put your camera here, and here you go. You have to search for the blue-throated beater. And as you can see my setup, here is a tripod, and here we have fastened it to the lens, right? And you have to be very patient while taking the there's some glitches here. While taking the photo, you never know when the moment comes. If you have to take the birds at a higher, in a fly mode, you have to take it on a high shutter speed. But it's very important to have the tripod and be patient when you come in these kind of bird spots. Okay, so these are called bird ponds. You will definitely find near your areas in the jungles where you can be patient and take it. Miss Grace. So we come here for the food. So if you want to go for the bird, Niao Pai, come to Grace. Okay, so this is her restaurant. As you can see, we will eat here lunch and then go for the eagle. You can also take some birds here. So we are now going for the eagle. So through the forest, very dense forest. It's a very trying condition. It's raining, it's wet, it's muddy, but we are determined. That's the love for bird photography. We will have the eagle nest where there are tiny eagles and the mother and the father is feeding, hopefully to get that feature. It's an amazing journey. You can see the eagle's nest, and then this is the bird pond that we are using to take the photographs and the videos. Hi, now you can see the eagles are sleeping, the babies, the mother has just gone. We have taken some lovely videos of the mother feeding the baby and also the video. So right now it's the end. We had a lovely day. We get blue-throated bee-eater. Now we got the eagles with the babies. It was rainy, it's now getting dark, so we have to go now. So the babies are also sleeping, and I think this is it. It's an amazing journey. And definitely, if you like this video, give a thumbs up, and if you like my channel, please follow it for more such interesting video. So for time being, ciao, bye bye, shabba khair, namaste.